to my stream. This is a Roblox Day Learning 3 stream. I normally want to stream it on Saturday. I have it on my schedule for Saturday. I'm going to stream it today, and hopefully I can stream it tomorrow. Maybe play some RTS, StarCraft 2 as well. But I'm just trying to stream my programming journey. It may be a slow pace at times, or sometimes I can pick up the pace, but let's get started. Let's see where I last left off at. Play. What's it doing? Rendering. Let's pause for debugging. What am I doing? What did I do wrong? I have no idea what. I never saw that message. I don't remember seeing the message before. Let me close out of the experience. Try to reopen it. Now, I don't know what this is doing. Why is it running for debugging? I may have to create a new experience because I don't know what it's doing. Let me search it up. So I'm on the documentation trying to master all these concepts. I went through pretty much most of them before in the past. I got all the way up to loops, but I have to get back to it. Let me see. Test. The engine is at a breakpoint. Scripts. This allows you to inspect variables. Step 2. Processing. Strong. Fully exclusion. Reaches. Locate the breakpoint. The red dot in the margin of your script. Up to move it. Actually send. Oh, maybe this is it. So right. It wasn't red before. Just playing around with it right now, and then I want to try to do some of the documentation. So I clone these ports that each have a script in them, duplicate them. That's the one deleted. I wonder why that had a bug in it. Let's do something. Okay. Oops. I don't know, maybe I had something wrong with it. Make sure they're all 3 red. Yep. I don't know what went wrong. Okay, it's like a documentation. I always like to go over this stuff. I want to get back down, get through all of this. Get your first script, start making things happen in code. These stories cover variables, data types, and properties. These functions create chance codes, run when you tell it, connect the code to in-world events, create interactive objects like traps or bridges. Conditionals. Use the code and patterning. If this happens, then do that. Apply this pattern to check if the time is right to unlock power-ups for your players. Learn how to repeat a certain amount of time. Code a certain amount of time to make it run forever using for and while loops. Practice using these loops types to code time bridges and flashing lights. Dictionaries and arrays. Learn how to store a lot of data in a single variable using tables and arrays. Data structures such as these can store large data and data sets like a player's inventory. Organize code. Take it through organization and step further and learn about module scripts, unique type of scripting. Let me just click on this last one because I never got to it. Let's see what's in here. Let's address this. Serious functions. Scripts. Okay, go out of that before I get too overwhelmed with that. Start back here and just look over. Output window, know about that. Change the code part, just using code instead of calling specific part. Alright, so navigate. So local color part, you can script that parent. Color port, that color equals color 3 from RGB. You can change this to whatever color you like. I only changed one of them. I forgot I had to change them all. What am I doing? What I do? Let's anchor these. See what happens. It shouldn't move at all. How's it set on? So they're not moving. I pretty much did this as well. Change color. This confuses me because I know it's a simpler way to write the workspace. Which makes that's what I did right here. And duplicated them. That's why less left out. Okay, functions and events. Use functions and events to make code run when you want, as often as you want. With functions and events, you can set up traps, buttons, health, pickups, and more. Covered in this course, functions, parameters, arguments, and returning values. Right there. And place code to be using the chunks or functions. Understand what it means for code to be in scope. Set up events within the game and use them to tell the function when to run. Practice response events for traps and buttons. Basic knowledge of Roblox Studio, such as moving, rotating parts. Coding the function. Set up chunks of code in a way that one function tell it. Use the parameters and events to code the function. Have all that information yet. Practice using events and parameters with making the page clear. More. Push up the button. Pass multiple pieces. Okay, so let's get started. I did all these before, but I have to refresh my memory. Functions are a set of instructions that can be used many times in the script. There are pre-made functions, also called methods, like print and test.wait, that are built. And copy this to notes. Coders can also create their own custom functions. The code they want to use more than once, but don't feel like writing over and over. My contact. In Luau, this is done by typing local function name and function. Functions by this. Okay, so create a new script. Okay. Service script. Same. Okay, there's that. Top. Thanks. Food. Camel candies. The first letter being lowercase and next words capital. Check like that. And try to move this over here. And close these out. Check food and go over to my other screen. This is my vertical screen that I use. I know a lot of coders that I believe use vertical screens to see more of the code at once. It seems beneficial and easier for me to see. I hope you can see it on stream. I like how AI can help you out. I like to still be competent in coding, but AI can help you out a lot, I believe. There's something. Local function, print food. Trying to save all these different notes temporarily, at least. Okay. Type and reset. The code doesn't complete for some reason. The function doesn't. I'm gonna try this without looking at it and how to run a function. Challenge myself a little bit. So just oh, yeah, I already got pizza right there. That's what I was gonna type. And just simply should be able to call the function. Oh, they had to type for me. I like to use my muscle memory though. I'm not the greatest typer, but I'm messing up. I typed it out right. Let's try to run that. Yep, a printed pizza down here. I don't know if you can see my mouse. Yep, pizza. So this is basic scripting that prints to the output, but I'd like to really see my code interact with the objects and stuff in the game. Eventually start making some games. Some complete games. Take a lot of notes to help me try to memorize these as flashcards or something. This makes it easier for you and others to see the story. Press tab and put them there. And that's helpful. Tell the function to run. There's one more thing you do. Tell the function to run. So I did that without looking at it. Print food. Output window. So show them the output window. Check the errors. Alright. Local function. Food. Use parameters and events. Normally functions can only run. Hello. Hey buddy. Normally functions can only use the information they have coded within them. Sometimes, however, you might not know in advance what that information will be, or you will want to be able to reuse the same function with multiple pieces of similar information. For example, if you wanted to use a function to display the name of a person who finished an obby course, the fastest and giant ladders to everyone, you won't know the name of the future winner until the race is finished. Parameters. Parameters are placeholders of information on the given function at a later time. They're like windows that allow you to pass information to the function. Set up a trap. This script will create a trap port that destroys whatever touches the port, including the other ports. You have to use a perimeter to set it up. Be careful to anchor the trap where it doesn't fall, destroy other things unintentionally. Create a port. A port needs to be set up that will destroy anything that touches it. Create a new port that's not touching anything. If it's touching something, it might go off too soon. And explore remaining port. Trap port. Anchor port. Alright, let's do that. I have any scripts in this. Service script. Play test this. That's not saying to have anything on it. Use this break. Anchor. It's the anchor. How did I tell it's anchor? Okay, so it should be anchor. Rename the port trap port. Trap port. Service script. What's the new functions practice? Oh, that's the function practice. Chapter script. Use what you know about variables. Use what you know about variables. Let's do. Oh, that's it. My alert's not going off. I think somebody just followed me. I appreciate the follow. I didn't get the alert. Why my alerts muted? Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I didn't get the alert though. Let me see. Trying to configure something real quick. Maybe that should help. Any experienced coders in here tonight? It's nighttime for me. Use variables and to reference the trap port. Add a new script into the trap port. Rename the script trap port. Trap script into the trap port. Delete the hello world. Script string. Okay. So we're gonna create a script within the port. This is trap port. It's right there. What the properties at? Where my properties at? Properties right there. Yo, what's up? Where's my properties window? Oops. Trying to configure this correctly. There we go. Properties. It's the same thing about changing the brick color. Scrolling through real quick. I'm gonna change the color myself. Go back up. Trap script, did that. Change the brick color. I gotta add new script. Click this little plus sign here. Script. Delete the hello, print hello world. Rename this trap script. Oops. Okay. See that again, I'm sorry. This is on caps. Script. Do the comment. Create a new variable which finds the script's parent. Yeah, I like to push this up to the other monitor. So comments don't get run. This helps coder or any other coder collaborating to let you know what the function does or whatever. Skipped up here and they already typed it for me, but I like to type it in. Try to learn, get my muscle memory going on. What is AI saying? Trap that touch, connect, function. Yeah. It may confuse me a little bit if I'm not following the documentation. Create a function with the perimeter. The trap will use a function to sort whatever touches the port. To work, the function needs to know what touched the port, and that means using parameters. Parameters are typed inside those that come after a function. They look like this: local function, function name, parameter name. Okay. Object touch. Okay, I'll give you a little bit. this right. That type function right. AI tries to finish it for you. It's kind of cool sometimes. Text information. Text. Turn local function. Touch and create a print statement. We use this to check if something is touching the port in the next section. So the output window print statements is usually to help debug and see what's going on, I believe. So local function, I just print something, touch the trap. Still not finishing the function, but let's see. Print something customized. Word of my own way. Yes. Oh, there's a trap. Trigger. Use an event to call the function. We want the function to run whenever something touches the port. To make that happen, connect the function to the touch event. Okay, to make that happen, connect the function to the touch. Events are things that happen in the game, like a player touching the port or losing health. When the function is connected to an event, the function runs whenever the event happens. The touch event fires whenever one port touches another port and can be used to create buttons, traps, and other objects that players interact with. Beneath the function and type trap, touch, connect, and touch. Hey, what's up? How you doing? Just doing my Roblox learning journey. It's a slow process for me, but hopefully I can pick up the pace. Appreciate the follow. Thank you. I'm doing all right, thank you. I appreciate that. I like how viewers assist me. I also like to interact with viewers in game sessions where they can create things and show me in live sessions with me as well. I appreciate that. Just trying to get through the documentation at times too. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Have you been coding for a while? I know some viewers have been coding for over 16 years. I'm just starting off. I did this like what, for a year and then I stopped. Let's see. Alright. Type trap, touch, connect, touch. Oh, that's not finishing the function, though. Guess you haven't called totally with the touch. Oh, I guess it's gonna print that statement. That's what it's gonna do. They already typed it in for me. I like to type it in. No, it's taking more time. Yeah, it's doing a lot. Suggesting a lot. Touch. Okay. Welcome back. Touch. So the real Shadow King X, have you been programming for a while, or do you do something different in Roblox, such as the object creation, or you do it all, or? If you don't mind me asking, I'm sorry. Oh, Shadow, okay. Cool. That's why I'm focused on, mainly the scripting part. I like the mechanics of the game, like focusing on the scripting part while someone else does the graphical and all that. I wouldn't mind doing it, but I mainly want to focus on programming. Okay, Trap Connect on touch. So we're gonna run that. And to say the port trap is touch, and I touch it. I'm going crazy with my mouse. This is the trap port. Yep, the trap has been touched. Stop running that. It take my time. I be wanting to speed up though sometimes, but I have to learn this. I have to take notes, sticky notes on the computer, or actual physical notes. Let's see what's next. Now we gotta make the actual trap. I went through this process before on the stream. I just had to refresh my memory and try to keep it in my mind or brain or whatever. Quick test, touch the port, shoot the test the port. Can't see that. Okay, now the function set it. Now this is where it comes where we destroy the port. Destroy whatever touched the port inside the function after the string type, object touch, destroy. Okay, so they get completed code should be this. Test again to see what happens when the port is touched. Your avatar should end up missing feet or arms. If the port touches where it might even completely be destroyed. Okay, let's do that. So you do this with inside. I guess this is called in scope between local function and am, I'm guessing. AI be really suggesting some things. Touch. Store. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work. Work. Cut off my feet. How's he still walking? There we go. And this is printed out in the output window. Trap has been touched. Let's try it again. Okay. That's cool. Trying to find ways of remembering this. I know you don't have to remember everything right off the bat. Just by practicing it, eventually, hopefully it'll catch up to me and I'll learn it without looking at the documentation. So that worked. Test again, see what happens before it's touched. The avatar should end up missing feet or arms before it touch. The avatar's head. It might even start completing. Let's just try it real quick. Try to extend this. Scale. Alright. See if we can touch my head first. Yep, start the whole port instantly. I know what I'm doing, we'll do that. Touch. That's not fun. Are we missing arms or something? Parameters. Trying to remember these names. Parameters are used to pass information that will be normally out of scope, where function can't see it. Okay, I get it. Into a function. Meanwhile, events are special signals that go off inside of the game when something important happens. Different objects have different events. Functions can be connected to events so that they are called each time the event gets fired. This little script connected. This little script connected a function to traps touch event. Pass and move such an object. Okay. Primitive practice. They're gonna make a bridge, I think. Buttons can be used. Yeah, I like to learn from documentation. I also like to read the ebook version. I haven't read too much of the ebook version yet, but and watch tutorial videos on YouTube. I like to combine my learning and with AI as well. Uh, I haven't really coded too much, but I was on a site called Code Academy where I was trying to learn Python. Uh, and I just kind of stop. I keep stopping, so I'm trying to be more consistent this time and keep progressing until I advance or whatever. Yeah, you can learn from other people as well. They really helpful. Um, Other people can help a lot in forums or like in live sessions like this or streams. It's a lot of ways to learn. I try to combine as much as I can to have fun and learn something new. Um, you can join my Discord channel if you want, if you can, uh, if you're able to. It should be on my about page, and then I can try to add you from there if necessary. Appreciate it. If you need help getting to it, I can send a link or post a link or something. Okay, cool. Let's see something. Uh, okay, I see you in there. Thank you for joining. Snap like that. Okay, I'll figure that out later. Alright. Buttons. The button should be used. The button has been pressed at a turn crane. The player should be able to use the bridge, grab and pass the button. As you press the button, fly to the bridge and return. Okay. So I'm gonna save this session. I save it. Choosing this. Okay, so this. And I want to create something with some water like I did in the past. Experience. Experience. I need that right. Trying to go to the pre-made templates. This is what I created before I created this documentation. I just want to recreate it, I guess. This is my button, and this is the bridge. It's transparent until you touch it. Goes all the way across. Oops, I messed up something. Oh, I didn't. Let's playtest that. Oh, thanks. I know it's just simple, basic ports though, but I'd like to see how the script does it. Like I said, I want to focus on the scripting part and have somebody be good at the graphics and stuff. And it's a countdown. I had the countdown timer for the bridge. So after the countdown timer, it disappear. Countdown timer appear. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. Like I said, I've been doing it off and on. I just haven't been consistent with it, so I started to lose the information out of my head. See, it disappeared after the timer ran out. I gotta remember how to do the display timer again too, though. That's on a separate document, I think. See if this give me enough time to walk over it. Low key might be a genius. I wish. Oh, he might be a genius. Oh, I don't know who you talking about. I don't know if you're talking about me or him. Yeah, you got an ad. I'm still learning how all that stuff works. Got the experience. Welcome back. How did I code this? Bridge. Time bridge. Huh. I know I want to redo this over, but I already created it, but I need to relearn it. Local bridge equals script.parent. Local button equals workspace dot button. Okay, so workspace dot button. Button up there somewhere. Workspace. Let's see. A button down here, right here. Welcome back. Workspace that button. Local timer text. So I added this from a different. I went back to this file and added in this. It showed me how to add this graphical timer display. Oh, Zoom is too zoomed in too far. I have to get some new contacts. So I have to. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. It is pretty. Yeah. What am I doing? Trying to zoom out. My zoom not working. I'm supposed to hold control and the minus sign. Oops. Command. I'm on the Mac, so I hit command minus. How do you zoom out? I forgot how to zoom out. I mean, this is just not working. I'm messing up the script. CTRL control minus. It's not working for me for some reason. Let me put it back in this other window. Do it look like do it look okay on that? I know I haven't zoomed out yet on this screen. Still can't zoom in and out. I don't know what's going on with that. There you go. For me, it's command minus. I don't know why I wasn't doing it within Roblox. I know it's only half of the screen because I have it on the vertical screen. You prefer it to be within Roblox itself? Is that better to see? I like to do the vertical screen because I believe a lot of programmers use that vertical screen to see more of the code, maybe. Mac is not too complicated. It's just a few keys, a little bit different. Not too complicated from Windows. I use both sometimes. Can you see the code clear on this screen, or is it? I know it's only half the screen. I can try to stretch it, but then it may look kind of funny. It is clear indeed. Okay. No, I'm not. I'm not on Linux. I'm on a official Mac. I've used Linux before. Yeah, I've used Windows. I have Windows and Mac, and I use Roblox Studio on both of them. I guess my Mac is newer and it's I guess the processing power is better. That's why I wanted to stream and do Roblox on that. Try that out. What operating systems do you guys use? Oh, you built your first PC? That's cool. Do you have Windows on it? Or Linux? Windows, okay, cool. Linux is like way complicated for me, but I use Ubuntu, which is a simpler form of Linux, I guess, and it does things automatic for you sometimes. Ubuntu Linux, but that's for like you gotta be real technical with certain aspects of Linux, I believe. Let's see. Local bridge equals flip that parent. Local button equals workspace dot button. Local timer text equals workspace dot timer. Display surface GUI text label. Local timer duration 30 seconds. I added 30 seconds to it because it was too short to go across the bridge. I added it like 15 or something, and I will fall through the water before I cross the bridge at 15. Local time active equals false, so it's false right now. Local at the start of the game. Local function start timer. Timer active equals true. I want to recode this, but I can just read this, I guess. But I think I learned better from actually redoing it. But I don't think I'm gonna do that today. Using what kind of keyboard is that? I'm not sure what kind of keyboard that is. Bridge transparency equals 0. Bridge can't collide equals true. So that means you can walk on a bridge and can't collide. Is this a loop or something? For loop or something? Or time? I don't know what it is. Or count equals timer duration. Oh, the keyboard. I thought it said keyboard. Well, I wonder what that is that you're referring to. Duration, -1, lead time text. Okay, time duration 30 seconds. I'm not the best at math, so I don't understand all this. What the documentation had me do before. 0, -1, lead timer text equals count test. I'll wait, extend it a little bit. Where's time of duration in the function? Another variable decoration keyword. Okay, like local. I figured something like that. Except you can't reassign it. Okay. Thank you for that. See, I'm trying to wrap my head around. This is time of duration. Oh, time of duration right here is called right here. And it's gonna count. This makes it counts down, I guess, instead of up. Do timer text. Timer text equals count. So it's gonna counting. Okay. Test.wait. It's like running the actual language, which it is a language, programming language, scripting language. Countdown because of the -1. Okay, gotcha. The bridge at transparency equals, okay, bridge at transparency 0. Bridge at transparency 0.8. Can't collide is false. So this is when it goes back after the. I'm trying to wrap my head around it. This is when it goes back to after the function is ran for 30 seconds. Check. Where is that transparency? Equals 0.8. Where is I can't collide. If it's false, meaning you're far through it. Timer text, none. Or they call it nil, or nil script, a nil string. Timer active, if it's false. And this is the button press, local function. Local function, let me see something. Local function, button press, let me see. But and this way connected to the button, I guess. Local function, button press equals support touch. Local character equals support touch. There. Local humanoid equals character find first child, which is a humanoid. Humanoid. Timer active equals false. And store timer. Okay. It's pretty simple. Button, this is what you call a function. Button.touch. Connect. Button press. Okay. I wanted to redo it, but this should be enough. I just keep studying the code. Let me go back to this. Anybody got any games that they made or any projects that they started on? Or I don't know who I'm speaking to. You may be some advanced coders that have some full games out. Finished games. Okay, that's cool. Are you working with a team of friends or people? Other people? You don't mind me asking? Oh, solo. Okay. Oh, okay. So, and Vermel, is that pronounced right? Vermart? I can't see that good. Say yep. Now this was yeah, I'm curious about the game too, and if it's available to play or test. This was a door and a button that removes the door. Press that, removes the door. This is my bridge again. I can walk over it. Countdown. What is the game? That's cool. Now, do you do your own object creation, customize objects, or do you use the toolbar or to use pre-made assets or something? Or if you don't mind me asking, because right now I would have to use the pre-made assets for as far as that. I want to learn my scripting on my own. Pre-made stuff. Oh, that's cool. That's what I plan to do. Unless I work with a team that creates their own objects and like applications like Blender and stuff like that. Okay. Yeah, I like how Roblox is like a studio. Is made. I guess it's made for people to learn easier because it comes with a lot of tools that's complete for you to build a game. I don't play Roblox too much, but I played a few games with my son. That were fun. But I'm basically here to learn programming and game programming, and to hopefully make some cool games. You said the game flopped. Why you say that? I can try to click on it and show it. Let me see. Okay, let me check it out if you don't mind. Let me see. My Roblox started. There we go, it's low. Okay, so let me see. Let me show this. I'm gonna wait till you come back for mail. Then for mail, yeah. Let me try to test play this. It sounds like a difficult game. Oh, that's done. Cool. It sounds like it's still. You say you straightforward with it. One mistake, reset. One shove, reset. Almost done, reset. That's kind of cool. Let's see if we can play it. Oh, I'm not logged in on here. Again. Oh, not like a full reset, only resets the current level. Oh, okay, I got you. Okay, now how do I switch to the game? I gotta switch to the game. And pause this for a sec. Alright. Let's see. I don't know if you can hear the music at the game. I'm trying to get the pop up here. I cannot wait till I get some new set of contacts to see better. It makes things a lot easier. Please. That's not good. Oh, you have glasses. Yeah, I used to be able to wear glasses, but now for some reason my eyes, I guess they got so worsened that I can't even wear glasses anymore. I have to wear these special contacts. Oh yeah, the maintenance of it. Okay, this is it. Let me see. Now, let's just move this down here. It's a pretty cool game. The graphics and everything look cool. Reach the part, show together to move on. I'm not good at playing games though. Certain Roblox games, but I can try to play it. That's why I just want to program my own. Reach the portal together to move on. If one player dies, if one player dies, everyone resets. Watch out. Some traps are hidden. Okay, I'm gonna favorite this as well. I favorite another viewer's game. How do I favorite? I'm trying to say that's a favorite. There we go. Got it. By trolls that affect everyone. I'm like, oh wow. Hey, this is kind of cool. It's a workable project, a game. I just dabble with the code. I don't see why this wouldn't be a good game. I mean, I like it. I wasn't watching the screen. I don't have this. Do I have this right? I keep falling. Yeah, you can see I'm not that great. Want me to send my stuff or I'll send to Discord. Okay, that's cool. Oh, this is kind of tough for me. It's probably pain watching me play this. Like, I can't get past the first part. What happened if I join public? You said you was gonna share your game. I don't think this game is bad. Everybody has their own opinion though. Did you want me to share your game on the stream, Shadow? Okay, did you send it in Discord? I don't think I got it in Discord. Or you can send it in chat, it's up to you. Discord or chat would be fine. You have to jump back. Okay, Discord DMs, okay. Does the floor come back? Okay, that's cool. Hey, this is pretty cool for somebody that don't know how to really fully program a game. This is pretty cool. Got music and everything, and yeah, that's nice. Let me try shadows. I get my Discord right. Look at this. Okay. I'm trying to see. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, I'll be back. Okay. Alright. The hello line. Oops. I said since there is no tutorial. Okay, we just said. Let's see what it say. Air some info. Okay. Your job is to figure out which NPCs or and not only I can't pronounce that. I'm sorry. There are 3 types of NPCs: normal passengers, neutral, bad, and bad ones. Want to kick off the bad ones? Neutral don't need to be kicked off, and regular NPCs shouldn't be kicked off either. Voting off these NPCs will cause you to lose sanity, and it's the wrong choice. Debating if I want to keep making players lose insanity for voting. Let's try it out. It's cool. I know I didn't finish reading it, but let me see. Try it out. It's some inspiring content to me because, you know, like how you come up with the game concept and everything. Where am I at? a different window? There you go. Nose a little bit stretched out. Oh, a train, subway. I don't know what I'm supposed to. I gotta find people. Players 0 out of 4. Oh, I gotta join the server or something.
Train has now arrived. All passengers board for Kinzu Station at level 4, Line B.
列車はレベル4、ライン B で、チェラー EMZ というステーションのすべての乗客ボロを到着しました。
I'll go to single player. Oh, 1 of 4.
Good evening, passengers. Welcome aboard the Hollow Line. Please observe your fellow riders carefully and report anything unusual. Our next stop is uncertain.
You got clickbait.
Now approaching Ashford Terminal.
So these are all NPCs. We're off. I don't get it. Oh, I can just vote off. Oh, I gotta click. Okay, you gotta add. I don't know what I gotta click. I gotta wait till the timer up or kind of click here. There are new people joining. Wow, this is amazing. Oh shoot. How do I fight him? Shoot. Yeah. Welcome back.
Now approaching Belwick Station.
Stuck. He won't let me out. Choose airplane. Let's see. It's worse. Jump. I'm in the seat. Okay. Okay. That's kind of cool. I favorite this as well. I'll be favoring a lot of games. I like these. Good inspirational to help me the script better and come up with some concepts. How long have you guys been programming the game? I'm asking. I don't know if I asked it already or not. Cause man, that's way over my head, or it seems to be. I don't know. Years. Yeah, I can. Yeah, it seemed like it. Almost 3 years. Okay, that's cool. Yes, that is. Yeah, if you can join my Discord, let me know your stream channel or whatever. I mean, let me know when you start streaming. I can follow you. I can follow you now, I guess. You help me make the game. I should. It was the trolls. Do you stream Shadow? Okay. Yeah, I had stopped for a long while, for about 6 months or so. It seemed like, man, I missed it. I just want to come back to it and interact with you guys. Let me see. So I made this bridge. Buttons. Button. That's what I went over. What's that from to say? I do. Let's see if I can follow you guys. Where's my mouse? There we go. Appreciate the follow. Ramel. Thank you so much. Let me see. cryptic. No worries. You code in hieroglyphics. Trying to find you guys in here. Oops, I do. Follow. Turn on notifications. Got any videos on here? Nope. Oops. And I see it's been a while since you streamed. I gotta add Vermel. Oops.
Let's shop and then rendezvous at the food court at 2 p.m.
Okay, it's not a.
What I do?
Let's shop and then rendezvous at the food court at
Are you
2
streaming
p.m.
Vermel?
It's not a heist. Just say meet up.
Okay.
Young homeowners can't do anything
Let
without
me
a
get this
plan.
out the way.
Hey, what's our plan of attack?
It's a flea market. We're not attacking anything.
All right, we should hit rides first, then concessions after.
How about we just eat when we're hungry?
What if one of us is hungry, but the others aren't as hungry?
I'm not hungry.
Is this your
now.
profile right
I feel
here?
like in an hour, though.
Progressive can't protect you from becoming your parents, but we can protect your home and auto when you bundle with us.
Hey, doctor, maybe we should regroup at the shrubbery?
Okay. Follow. Oh, yeah, I'm following. I guess I'm following you. How do you see the last time someone streamed? And I'm still trying to do this. Yeah, schedule. Alright, that's cool. So you've been streaming to Shadow, or is this correct, or is it just a schedule? It's old schedule. Okay. That's cool. Have anybody heard of Hiatus? I like his tutorials. You're gonna make a developer log thingy. Post your Twitch VODs on YouTube as well. It's cool. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is Hiatus. I like how he teaches.
Hello everyone, and welcome to a new Roblox scripting series. I've been wanting to create my own series on YouTube for a long time now to help people who want to learn how to script. There are already lots of existing series on YouTube, but some of them are outdated or left incomplete, and some are just not that helpful for beginners. Others will always recommend reading the documentation to learn how to script. It's definitely very useful, but that's not the case for everyone. There are lots of people who find it difficult to learn from it because it's not always so simple to understand. So I want to create the best series on YouTube that helps people who are completely new to scripting to be able to make the games that they dream of. I've been on the Roblox platform since 2010 when my friend introduced me to it. I used to really enjoy playing Roblox games back
Oh, that's
then,
cool.
but a time soon came when I lost interest in a lot of them. And now, Roblox has been flooded by simulator clones. It would be amazing for a fresh wave of inspiration to come to Roblox and bring a variety of new games. Lots of people come up with unique ideas, but not everyone has the skills necessary to bring their ideas to life. That's why I want to create a series that teaches everything you need to know to make games on Roblox. I want to help each and every one of you, no matter how old you are, to build a solid foundation in scripting so you can build on it and become amazing scripters that take Roblox gaming to new heights. I started scripting in 2020 during the lockdown period. At the time, I knew nothing. I could barely even use a computer. I started out by watching YouTube tutorials and then I tried to make a game with someone. I slowly learned that whatever I had gained from those tutorials just
Oh,
wasn't enough.
Discord bio.
I was facing
Okay.
lots of problems which I just couldn't solve by myself. I had to seek out a lot of help.
Let me see. Let's check it out. Trying to find it in Discord. Yeah, some people like myself. You can be hard on yourself. As far as what I'm seeing, everything looks good. I know some people may be critics, harder critics, but everything I'm seeing looks professional and good that you guys have done. You made them short and to the point. That's not bad. Let me see. Do I go to your profile to get to it? Into profile. I'm looking for the YouTube channel. Oh, he sent the friend request. That's it. I'm a little bit lost. I don't see it on here. I don't know if I can share it. Maybe I just see your name and badges. I gotta add. Oh, thank you for posting it. If you let me know when you guys are back. Okay, cool. That's done. Let's watch the base. It's basics. Where's the basics at? Basics right here.
Shadow King.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be going over variables. So I'm going to do is insert a part. And within this part, we're going to put a script in it. So what is a variable? Variables are a way to store data, is how I would say it. So what we're going to do is make a variable that stores the object part, which is this part we just made. So we're going to do local part.
This is cool.
Equal to script dot parent. So for example, we can also do local number is equal to 10. Local text is equal to hello guys. So again, a variable, just a name which stores something. In this case, part stores an object, which is this part. This part. Number, the variable number stores the value of 10. And the variable text just stores a string, which says hello guys. So if we want to print out these variables, we would do print.
Hey, this is cool.
Name. Print number and print text. Down here in our output, we will see part, the value of 10, and hello guys, which is the string. These are variables. Also note that these can be literally anything. You don't have to be anything specific. So number can be hi. Part can be world. Text can be just for fun number. So now we print these.
Are you not a scripter, Vermel?
I'm lazy, you know, if I were typing this. I think this.
Oh, I mean, I don't know what you meant. Are you just ready to start scripting again?
So
okay.
Then we have the value of script.parent, its name, which is part. I prints 10. Number prints hello guys. So what you call the variable?
Oh,
doesn't really matter what it is.
I got you.
Just make sure it makes sense, obviously. So when you look for the variable later, you can find it and understand what it is. What matters is what it's set equal to. And that's how you store variables.
Thank you
for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you learned something, let me know. If you would like to request something specific, also let me know down in the comments. If you'd like to join Shadow Army, hit that subscribe button. If you find this tutorial useful, hit that like button as well. Thank you.
Hey, it's some good information. It's some good content. It's motivating, inspiring, and be able to talk with you guys. So I like that.
All right, guys. So now we're gonna be talking about how to point to objects.
Okay. How did you get that audio on there? It says you said, was it AI generated or something, or did somebody actually say that? If you don't mind me asking. That's not nice, Vermel. What software did you use to edit the video? Sony Vegas Pro. I never experimented with that before. I used DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere. I like the Adobe. Yeah, DaVinci Resolve is free, I think, still. That's a free, complete video editing software. Adobe is not free, but... Oh, okay. That's cool. Y'all funny. I don't know if I'm finna finish scripting. I did a few lessons, a few tutorials. Let's see, what was this? What's the bridge I made? It's actually next. No, I didn't think your voice is AI. I thought that that's your friend that said Shadow. I thought that was AI. It's uh it's cool though. Like, you know, it sound professional. You sound professional and everything. Yeah, I thought your friend. I thought that soundbite was or whatever was AI. Anybody ever use voice mod? I have that. I played around with it. It's okay. It's kind of neat that you can change your voice and everything, and you speak into the microphone and then it'll be a different voice. It's called voice mod. I think some content creators use that. Okay, and I'm about to pretty much end stream shortly or right now. I thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a pleasure. I hope to see you again and interact. A pianist. Yeah, I make beats. I don't really. I try to learn how to read notes. I know how to do a few things, but I just make beats and stuff. Grabber or fronto? What's that? Okay, we'll do, Shadow. Yeah, I make beats and stuff, and I streamed it one time for a short period of time. I like music. I like to do a lot of different things. Tech. If it's dealing with tech, I like it, and music and art and stuff like that. Made 2 beats in your lifetime. Yeah, I just love seeing creativity and stuff. Okay, cool. Yeah, I like to make like motivational beats or inspiring beats with like pianos and strings and stuff like that. It's just my type of music, really. Just positive or uplifting or whatever. Alright, see you, Shadow. Alright, and see you, Vermel and everybody. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a good night or whatever time of day it is. I hope you have a good day. And I hope to see you soon on the next stream. I have it planned to stream tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to commit to that if I can. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you.